Magpapatuloy ang 2025 NBA Finals ngayong Biyernes sa Game 6 kung saan may pagkakataon ng Oklahoma City Thunder na masungkit na ang kanilang inaasam na kauna-unahang kampyonato. Ang Indiana Pacers naman puntirya manalo sa kanilang home court para puwersahin ang winner-take-all Game 7 sa Lunes. Yan ang ulat ni teammate Darrell Oclares.
Magkakaalaman na ngayong Biyernes kung tatapusin na ba ng Oklahoma City Thunder ang 2025 NBA Finals sa Game 6 o makakahirit pa ng Game 7 ang Indiana Pacers. Isang panalo na lang ang kinakailangan ng Thunder para makamit ang matagal na nilang hinihintay na NBA Championship mula nang lumipat at mag-rebrand ang Seattle Supersonics noong 2008. Para sa OKC star guard at league MVP na si Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, nagbunga ng ilang taong pagsisikap ng kanilang kupunan pero hindi pa ito matatapos hanggat mapasa kamay nila ang kampyonato.
It's been fun. Now the cusp of winning is not winning, and the way I see it, winning is all that matters. So it hasn't been fulfilling. We haven't done anything the way I see it, but I've built great friendships along the way. I've had a lot of fun playing basketball, and I think that's where you start. And the organization and the guys around me have done a really good job of building an environment that's fun to come to every day, and really just focus on work and getting better. And I think that's why we made jumps.
Ayon naman kay Thunder head coach Mark Daigneault, hindi pa rin umano magpapakakampante ang OKC sa kabila man ng posibilidad na hindi makapaglaro ang Pacers All-Star floor general na si Tyrese Haliburton.
Haliburton's a great player. One thing we know is you don't underestimate great players. So in the case that he plays, we're expecting his best punch. Indiana's a great team. We don't underestimate great teams. So in either case, whether he plays or not, we're expecting Indiana's best punch, especially at home. And so we'll be prepared for the best punch from both him and the team.
Sa kabilang panig naman ng finals, do or die Game 6 na ito para sa Pacers. Ang magandang balita, lalaban sila sa harap ng kanilang home crowd sa Gainbridge Fieldhouse. Kaso nga lang, hindi 100% si Haliburton na may iniindang strain right calf mula pa noong Game 5. Bagamat nakapag-ensayo si Haliburton nito lamang Webes, sa mismong Game 6 pa matutukoy kung makasama ba ang 6'5" guard sa kanilang rotation. Pero kung si Haliburton ang tatanungin, hindi siya magdadalawang isip na bumalik sa hardcourt lalo na't nakataya ang NBA Championship.
I think it depends on who you ask. I mean, you're asking me, so I think I have to be as smart as I want to be. I have to understand the risks, ask the right questions. But I'm a competitor. I want to play. I'm gonna do everything in my power to play, and that's just what it is. But I mean, I think the answer to that is depending on who you ask.
Paglaro man o hindi si Haliburton para sa Pacers, may game plan naman umano si head coach Rick Carlisle para manalo sa Game 6 at maisalba ang kanilang season.
As far as Tyrese, he'll go through the day tomorrow. Our prep sessions tomorrow, late afternoon, and they'll get together and do some testing, and that will determine whether he plays or not. And if he doesn't play, we have a plan, obviously, if we're without him.
Aarangkada ang Game 6 ng 2025 NBA Finals ngayong Biyernes, ganap na alas 8:30 ng umaga, oras sa Pilipinas. Darrell Oclares para sa Pambansang TV, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.